He's walking on water like Jesus. That's a Jesus bird. Look at Jesus bird. He's walking on water. It's a Jesus bird. It's walking on water, Daddy. Hi guys, I'm already here at Jurong Bird Park, and now I'm gonna go over there. See you. I'm pressing the gas. Hi guys, this is that Philippine eagle, and I'm gonna try to fit through that sword. Now we're going to the penguin coast. Oh look, there's a fake penguin. I'm gonna take a picture with it later, after I go inside. Let's go. Let's go to the penguin coast. It's over there. As you can see, my hand, it represents where I'm pointing. As you can see the thing over there, you know, the penguin. It's gonna be uploaded, so I'm making a mistake, I guess. And yeah, this is a little bit cold. There's fans, if you didn't know, and my family is talking. So now let's see the guys. Hi. Real penguins. Pingu.
You see, Travis, those are seals.
No. Penguin.
Now something about the penguin.
They're penguins. We're going to the Pelican Cove, and I guess there are swans. No, pelicans. Of course, that's the name. Not swans. If there are, I'll just leave them. So now we're walking down the stairs, and these are not real ropes. They're just like painted. No, they're real, but we just sticked it with glue and painted it. And there's a waterfall, I guess. What do you call that? The sewer, yeah. It's pouring out water. And I don't want flamingo. Where are the flamingos? He's walking on water like Jesus. That's a Jesus bird. Look at Jesus bird. He's walking on water. It's a Jesus bird. It's walking on water, Daddy. I can slide it. Okay. I can't use my RC here because if I use my RC, like my new RC here, it will fall down in the water and I can't get it. But, and there are lots of flamingos.
3, 1, 2, and 3. Off we go.
This is the jungle jewel. I enjoyed seeing the tram, and I also enjoyed trying to chase the tram too. And also enjoyed the show, both of the shows. And also I like seeing those bird houses because I want to go inside it, but if I went inside, all the birds will like peck on me, or maybe they won't, they'll just like you should bring a sunblock. Well, I don't need sunblock because I have a handkerchief. You should bring a full water bottle because you'll be sweaty. And goodbye and thank you for watching. And also, if your water is out, you should refill it with the good water. You can buy them in some shops. The shops that have food.